Here's the question. In Gmail, if I send a calendar invite to someone and then I edit the calendar invite, how can I keep from sending them requests to accept the invite multiple times? Show you what I'm talking about. And I'll show you how to manage your invites so you get the best results and it's not burdensome on the other people. So I'm going to put a calendar invite in here. I want to take and put an hour, 15 minutes, talk with Mr. Burris. And then I'm going to invite TL Burris at burrisconsulting.com. You can see right now I'm in burrisconsulting at gmail.com. So I'm going to invite TL Burris, at teddyburris.com. And then I want to hit save. And I'm going to hit send. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? I'm going to hit send. You know what? Let's do something here. Let's don't send. Watch this. I didn't send it. Let's see what happens and what it looks like on his calendar. Give me one moment. I didn't send him an email. I only put a calendar invite in there for Gmail, for another Gmail user, and it's on his calendar. He did not get an email about this. If I go to email and I hit refresh, there's no email. Clearly, all I did was put it on his calendar. And you can see the fact that it doesn't have a color hasn't accepted it yet. So he has to click on it and he has to hit yes. And now it's blue, which on this calendar means I've accepted it. Now let's go back to the person who sent the calendar invite. Here it is right here. And I'm like, oh my golly, I forgot to change it and put his full name. So I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to talk with Teddy Burris about dust bunnies. That's what I want to talk about. And I need video conferencing. So I'll do Google Meet. And then I'll hit save. Now wait. I could send this. It'll go and with I can say don't send. It'll update that calendar item, but he's not going to get an email. But if I hit send, let me show you what happened in his email. There's the item. You can see it's updated. It's got Teddy Burris at about dust bunnies. And look, there's a new email message. Click on that. Boom. There it is. Updated. Look, it says updated invitation with Teddy Burris about dust bunnies. And you can see it's got the Google Meet in it. And it's already accepted it. So you can see it's changed the title and changed the conferencing technique. So I don't really need to hit yes again, even though, because I've already done it. Now, let's go back to, come out of this. Let's go back to Burris Consulting at Gmail. Let me try another little tactic and show you what happens. If I edit this, hit the pencil, and I add someone else. I want to add teddy.burris at Score Volunteer. All right, now I want to hit save. Would you like to send invitation emails to new Google Calendar guests? I'm going to hit send. Now let's go look and see what happened to the first guy who was on it. Right here. You can see there's no update. But let me go to the Score Volunteer guy. Boom, right there it is on his calendar. And furthermore, because I sent the email, there's the email alert as well. So one more test, show you one more scenario. Go back here. And if I edit this, and I edit, and I go, make sure we talk about the process. And I'm going to hit save. And it says, would you like to send update emails to existing Google Calendar guests? I'm going to say don't. And now if I go look at that email in their calendar, let me go back to the score guy. Look right here. In the calendar, I added the note, make sure we talk about the process, but he just did not get an email. That's the original email. That's not the updated one. The bottom line is, the way you send an email or don't send an email, when you create a message and you add guest and you hit save, you have the option to send or don't send the initial email. I typically think sending the initial email is the right thing to do. But you also, when you edit this, you have the ability to when you hit save, to again send the updated email. You can, or you don't have to. One more little tip. Often when I have a meeting with someone and they're a moment or two late and they're not here, it's a minute or 2 minutes after the hour, I will often go in here and update this, and I will then, just as an immediate reminder, I'll say, I am online now, or awaiting you now, just as a last moment reminder. And that works great for me. I often find I'm hovering over the send button just for another few seconds, just to give them a few more seconds to show up or not. And if they don't, I hit send. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.